This 5-minute solution will show you how to link Twitch account to Steam. Follow these easy steps to link your Twitch with your Steam. First of all, open Twitch and make sure to sign into your Twitch account. Then click on your profile and click on Settings. And here click on Connections. And here you have to search for Steam. Now all you have to need to connect Twitch with Steam, click on Connect. And it may ask you to sign into your Steam account here. Once done, you will get your Steam profile here. Now click on Sign In. And that's it. Now your Steam account will be connected to your Twitch account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.